For 2025, the Honda Rebel 250, a popular beginner-friendly cruiser, has been enhanced with Honda's e-clutch technology. This innovative system allows riders to shift gears without using the clutch lever, simplifying the learning process for newcomers and offering convenience for experienced riders. The e-clutch offers flexibility. Beginners can use it as a learning tool for clutch control, while experienced riders can enjoy clutch-free riding in various situations, such as traffic, long rides or commuting. While some may be hesitant about automatic transmissions on motorcycles, Honda's e-clutch differs. It maintains the option of manual clutch operation, preserving the connection between rider and machine. The e-clutch was initially introduced on the CB650R and CBR650R, models that may not seem the most obvious choices for this technology. However, its implementation on the Rebel 250 demonstrates Honda's commitment to expanding its reach. The evolution of cruisers, particularly with the inclusion of features like the e-clutch, makes motorcycling more accessible to a broader audience. This increased accessibility has the potential to significantly grow the motorcycling community, leading to a more positive and inclusive riding environment.